So what happened was Glenn asked me to send him the double stick video that I had filmed some time ago. And I was like, yeah, okay. He says, because it was on the YouTube and it disappeared. I was like, oh, okay, but I have the original. Except that I didn't. So now, since we're on lockdown, we're going to, I'm going to try to repeat that, but I don't remember how much material I put on that one, so I'm just going to try to not give you every possible combination or what have you, but I'm going to try to give you a fairly extensive set of fundamentals. Right? So, where to start with double stick? There's a couple of things. One is body position. So you see a lot of people, and I'm guilty of this too, because when I look at old video or I look at old photographs or what have you, I sometimes see myself guilty of doing stick drills in more or less the standing position. Now I understand if you're demonstrating and what have you, and you're demonstrating and talking, then yeah, you'll probably use the standing position. But the thing is, if you're going to demonstrate how to perform, then at a minimum, you should adopt the half squat position, the katin position, because really the combat skill, the fighting skill will come out of that. So we're going to look at, I saw something the other day where somebody was saying that double stick is like a dexterity or coordination training and not really combat training. And that's true, but only up to a certain extent. So we might get into that also. So without further ado and more talking, let's take a look at Filipino double stick, what we call doble baston, or sometimes what we call sinawali.